Where it's important is heartless companies that come along and say, you've gotten older, you've given so much of yourself to us. We've gotten so much benefit from you over the years. But because you're getting a little older, your salary's risen up. And we can go get a young one that may not have your experience, but they're up and comers and we can pay them a whole lot less. And that's just wrong. That's just wrong to turn your back on someone. There's loyalty, there's fundamental fairness. To kick someone to the curb because you can get someone cheaper when they're still doing it and doing it extremely well. It's just wrong. And you would hope it would be good enough that companies would be decent and do it without a law. The problem is not all companies are decent. So you've got to have something out there that says to the ones that don't get it naturally and on their own, okay, you may not do it voluntarily, but by golly, you're going to do it because it's the only right thing. So I applaud the laws because of the people in the companies that don't have the right loyalty and heart. And we represent people that get mistreated like that. But it can't become an excuse to coast for the older employee. It's a two-way street. They've got to continue to do their part to earn what they're being paid. If someone doesn't deserve to be there because they're taking advantage of their position of longevity, that law won't protect them. Rest assured, quit worrying about that. That law is there to protect, and the way it works is the person who's still earning their keep, doing their part, and these companies don't care, and they're just going to say, get out of here, and they'll come up with an excuse because they're trying to save money and get somebody younger who's cheaper. That is fundamentally unfair, and that law protects it. And for the person that doesn't deserve the protection, they're never going to win that case anyhow, and they ought not to. So the law really, not all laws work in practical application. My experience, that one does.